people like cubing. Today I'm going to show you the part 2 on the 3x3 beginner tutorial. So the second part of the beginner's tutorial is the white cross. So this step is pretty intuitive. You have to use your geometry skills to turn this 3D puzzle. You want to move all of the white edges to the center and have all of the other color of the edge aligned with the side centers. So this is the white center, those are the white edges, and these are the side centers. So let me first scramble up my cube. So as the diagram right here, white, white, which is aligned, and orange, orange. So this is a correct aligned piece. This is white, this is white, this is blue, but this is green. So you have to move the white and blue piece to the center that is blue. So this alignment is not correct. So the first thing you want to do is, see, you already have one pair over here aligned. So you can move it up. And now it's aligned here. And then so for this one, you have to move it under the red center. So you can move it down, move it out, and then move it back. And then align it with the red center, move it up. And right now, this is also aligned, so you can move it up, and it will be aligned too. So this is a confusing one. You want to put this over here. So now you can turn this and then have the slot right here, so you can move that up and then move it back. So let me show you another example. So here's an example. For this case, first let's insert this piece in over here. So you can turn the front side, so now those are aligned, and then you can turn it up. Also, this is not aligned. So move it down, move it aligned, and then move it up again. And then you want to move this one over here because it is orange and this is also the orange. So move the slot here, up, in. And then for the last one, same thing. The slot, in, and then move it back. So now if you have the cross and also this, all of those aligned, then you're good. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video for more upcoming videos. Bye!